Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. Look what I got back, my mini ears. So we're gonna start this video off with my L'Oreal Mattifying Primer, and I'm applying that over the top of my moisturizer and just before my foundation. So the foundation that I'm gonna use today is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. I am trying this out with the mattifying primer. I haven't done so yet. I used it with a primer and it didn't really turn out so good. I'm applying this with my Spectrum B01 brush. It's my absolute favorite foundation brush to use, and it's my favorite way to apply foundation, full stop. Next is my go-to concealer. It's the Maybelline Eraser Eye. I'm going to apply that just under my under eyes, and I'm going to blend it out using a mini beauty blender. I'm then going to set that down using my L'Oreal Infallible Magic Loose Powder, and then I'm going to powder the rest of my face down then with my Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder. Next is my go-to bronzer, and it's the Benefit Hoola bronzer. I just find it's the perfect shade of bronze for my skin, and I love how it blends. So on to my least favourite thing to do, eyebrows. I am not brilliant at doing my eyebrows at all, and as you can see, but anyway. So I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow pencils. I use the shade 3.5 on the inside part of my brow, and then I move on to the shade number 4 for the outer part of my brows. And then I'll finish it off then with the 3D brow tones in the shade number 2, just to give those hairs just a little bit of a lift and to make them look a bit more natural. Well, hello little alien palette. So we're using the Jeffree Star Alien palette today, which, as you all know, if you have been watching my videos, I have been raving about this palette. I absolutely love it, and I love all the colours in it. So the first shade that I'm using is Phone Home, and I'm going to apply that on the crease of my eye and blend it up towards the brow bone. So the next shade I'm going to use is called Area 51, and I'm going to put that in the crease also, and I'm going to blend it up towards the brow bone, but I'm not going to blend it as high as I did with the previous shade. Now I'm going to use my Morphe Boss Mood palette, and I'm going to take this gorgeous purple shade here at the bottom, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner of my eye and blend it in towards the other colours. Now I'm just going to go back in with the Area 51 shade just to intensify that purple shade again. Now I'm just going to apply the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer on my eyelid just to do a cut crease so we can really get those colours pop in. Now I'm going to use this gorgeous palette by Wet n Wild. It's the Megaglo Eyeshadow Trio Limited Edition in the shade AMTHYST. I think I'm pronouncing that right. And I'm going to take the darker shimmer and I'm going to pop that on the outer corner of the eye. I'm then going to take the lighter, more icier purple shade and I'm going to pop that on the inner corner of my eyelid. Now I'm going to take that bottom shade and I'm going to pop that right on the centre of the eyelid. This one I found had more of a shimmer to it, and it had more of a glitter, so that's why I wanted to pop it right in the centre of the eye, just to really make the eyes pop. And I'm also going to place a little bit of it on my lower lash line as well, just to get more of that shimmer. Just to finish the eye look off now, I'm going to head back to the Alien palette and use the shade Pluto and place it right on the inner corners of the eye. Next is one of my favourite highlighters. It's by Wet n Wild and it's the Megaglo Highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. I'm going to apply this to my cheekbones, to the bridge and the point of my nose, my Cupid's bow, and then I'll also apply it just below the brows. So I finished my eyes off with some false lashes from Morphe, and then I applied my Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara. Now I'm going to do the lips and I'm going to use the Lottie London Slay All Day lip in the shade Low Key. This is one of my favourite, it's just off red lipsticks and it really does finish this look off. Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a quick check-in on the foundation, because I did use my Fenty foundation in this video with my L'Oreal Mattifying Primer, and I wanted to see whether or not the foundation would settle a bit better on the skin with a different foundation, and I'm actually quite happy still with how well that it looks. It's still pretty matte. I don't know if you can tell, like I get really oily skin, like my skin will oil up straight away, and I struggle to get things to mattify it so well. But I've been in work all night. It's probably been a good 9 hours maybe. Yeah, it's got to be maybe about 9-10 hours, and that's since I did apply this foundation, and I've had a little bit of a nap in between. Very little one, but I have had a little one. And yeah, I'm still pretty chuffed with how well it's looking, but I think I've definitely found a good primer to fit with it. I still want to try my professional primer with it to see how that fends and see what that's like. I have also got an illuminating primer that I want to try with these foundations as well, but I'm just trying to find like the best fit and the best matches for each other. But so far the L'Oreal primer is definitely the best one to go with the Fenty foundation, so they're a good match. Yeah, so bye. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. If you did enjoy this video, remember to give it a big thumbs up, and also if you aren't already, then please subscribe to my channel because it really does fill my heart. When you subscribe, remember to hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I do upload 2 times a week and try to do it on a Wednesday and a Sunday. Follow me over on my Instagram account, which is on the bottom on the left hand side of the screen right now, or follow me on my Twitter account, which is on the bottom right hand side of the screen. And until next time, take care.